Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to convert the fraction into decimal number. So the fractions means is not a ordinary fractions. When the denominator comes in 10, 100, 1000, it's a decimal fractions, you know very well, because the last class we talk about that decimal fractions. So in this kind of fractions, decimal fractions, if it is comes, then how to convert as a decimal number. So I already told you, when the denominator comes under by 10, 100, 1000, these kind of fractions are called decimal fractions, you know very well. So in that kind of fractions, now we are going to convert the decimal number. Example, 27 upon 10. So example 1 is a decimal fraction, but improper fraction also, because 10 is a denominator, 27 is the numerator. So I told you the proper fraction means denominator big, numerator small. That's a proper fractions. But here the denominator is big, small, but numerator is big. What it means? Example, why we say is a improper fractions? Okay, that person, any person have 10 chocolate. Okay, one person have 10 chocolate, but what the fraction says, that person eat 27 chocolate. Person eat 27 chocolate. How it is possible? Because he has only 10 chocolate. He can eat 10 or 9 or 8 maybe, but he cannot eat 11 chocolate. But he ate 27 chocolate. How it is possible? Because he has only 10 chocolate. This is the meaning. 10 it means whole part. 27 is the part of whole. So it's a improper fractions. We can say like this. So we know very well how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. You know very well. So we want to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what I will do, 27, I am going to take 20 outside, then remaining 2 fraction part. So if you multiply 2 times are 20, 20 plus 7, 27. So you have to do multiply here, you have to do add. It's a mixed fraction. How we can say it's a mixed fraction? Which fractions have the whole number, a real number, with a fraction number, we call as a mixed fraction. So as per that, we have to do, if you want to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, you have to do multiply, then add. You have to multiply with the denominator into the real part, then you have to add to the numerator, then you can get the improper fraction. Okay, so what I will do, I leave it whole part as it is. So now you know 7 by 10, what is the value of 7 by 10? 0.7 is the 7 by upon 10 value. So what I will do, just I will add what here, okay, 2 plus, because we have to add now, so we have to multiply here then add. So 2 is the whole part, 0.7 is the value of 7 by 10. See, 1 by 10, what is the 1 by 10 value? 0.1. What is the 1 by 100 value? 0.01. What is the 1 by 1000 value? 0.0.1. This is the value. So as per that, 7 by 10 value same, 0.7. If you add 2.7 or 0.7. Okay. Students, let me talk about another example. Okay, 469 upon 100. Okay, so here the previous example I told you, what's the value? 1 by 10 is the, what's the value? 0.1. So 1 by 100 is the, what's the value? 0.01. Then 1 by 1000, what's the value? 0.001 is the value. So it's a decimal fraction. The fraction into converted into decimal number. So 0.1 is the decimal, 0.01 is the decimal number, but 1 by 100 is the decimal fraction. So as per that, here 469 upon 100. So the denominator 100 is a decimal, so we call it as a decimal fraction. So what I will do, it's an improper fraction. So I told you some example. So here 100 is there, but they taken 469. It's not possible. So what I will do, I am going to convert as a mixed fraction. So what I will do, I will take 400 outside. So 400 outside, remaining 69, that divided by 100. If you want to convert it's a mixed fraction into improper fraction, you will have to do multiply then add. You know very well. Okay. So as per that, now first I want to find out, I want to convert this fraction into decimal. 69.100, if you convert as a decimal, 0.069. Okay, sorry, 0.69. Okay, then if you add, so 4 plus 0.69, if you add, you will get 4.69. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, let me talk about another example for convert fraction into decimal. So it's a fraction, decimal fractions. How I will convert as a decimal. So you know very well the rule, 1 by 10 the value 0.1, 1 by 100 0.01, 1 by 1000 0.001, you know very well. So as per that, here 8007 is there. So what I will do, I will take outside 8000, then remaining 7 I will keep here. So 7 upon 1000. So if you find out the value of 7 by 1000, you will get 0.007. Okay, so if you add with 8 this side, you can get 8.007. This is the answer.